what's up guys? Today we are going to be making a delicious acorn squash dish. It has acorn squash, chicken sausage, spinach, and some seasoning. It is so good. We are also going to be making boiled new potatoes. We're gonna smash them and top them with some Greek yogurt. Wonderful sour cream substitute. And we are going to be making green beans and onions. It's gonna be so good. It's a perfect fall pre-Thanksgiving meal. Super easy. So I hope this inspires you guys to make a delicious, healthy weeknight meal. And if you've never tried acorn squash, you're gonna fall in love. It is delicious.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to get started with the acorn squash. Start by cutting the squash in half with a large sharp knife. I use a chef's knife. And then scoop out the seeds. And place them face down on a baking dish. Scoop out the seeds on the other side. Pop it in the oven, 350, 30 minutes. We got our organic chicken sausages here. Just slice them up. I'm gonna spray the pan with my extra virgin olive oil spray. I am in love with this sprayer, it's awesome. And throw your chicken sausage slices in. Stir it a little bit and let them brown. It'll take a few minutes. Toss them around so they get an even browning. And I am going to throw in a lot of spinach. I like spinach. It's very mild. You can barely even taste it and get a lot of iron, so I like to throw in a lot. We're gonna wilt that down. I'm just stirring it so that the pieces that haven't wilted yet are closer to the heat source. Stir it again. There we go. Looks like it's wilting nicely. Ooh, yeah. Next, we are going to add seasoning seeds. The acorn squash, let's see if it's done here. Flip it over, prick it with a fork. Yep. It easily pierces through the flesh, so that means it's done. Next, I'm just going to scrape out the insides and fluff it up. I like to serve it in the squash skin for presentation, but you could easily just scoop it up and put it in a bowl too, if that's easier for you to eat like that. I am going to scoop in some of the spinach and sausage mixture here and just kind of mix it around in the skin. Next, I am going to add just a little bit of cojita cheese. It's a Mexican style cheese. It's really good. You could also use feta. Next, we are going to make our green bean and onions. It's a super easy and delicious side dish. We're going to start off by slicing up those onions. So we're just gonna saute these onions here, give them a quick stir, and we are just gonna cook them until they are soft and brown. Rinse off our green beans. Chop off the ends here. Nom nom nom. It's a hungry baby. Nom, nom, nom. Get the rest of our green beans prepped here. Throw them in the pan with the onions. I cook the onions first because they need to cook longer than the green beans, and I like my veggies to still have life in them and have a crisp. Next, we're gonna make our boiled new potatoes. We're gonna smash them and top them with some Greek yogurt. I like to use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream because it has a lot less calories than sour cream, and I can pile it on and not feel bad at all. Throw in our new potatoes, or baby potatoes. And there's another baby. Baby potatoes, baby Emily. I'm gonna tickle you. They are boiling. Let's see if they're done. The fork went in easy, so they are ready to be drained. Shake them off, throw them back in the pot. I am just spraying them with a little olive oil here and mixing them around so that they are evenly coated. And I am going to add a little bit of this black truffle salt. So it's pretty simple. We're just going to throw them on the plate. Add our green bean onion side. Scoop it. Now we are going to smash the potatoes. You don't have to do this, but I think it looks really fun to smash them. And I am taking my Greek yogurt and adding it on top of each one of the little potatoes here, so it's a little bit in each bite. The best Greek yogurt I have found that tastes the closest to sour cream to me is actually from Costco.
If you like videos like this, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming holiday videos we're going to be doing. We're putting up new videos every week on things like homemaking, decorating, DIY, and craft projects.